This is normal stylus, it's only one from 6 tested. If I press a tip, calibration process is done. This is 2 abnormal stylus. We have at least 4 this stylus. If I press the tip, nothing happened. And if I don't press a tip and press a button, calibration is done. This is another one. If I press a tip, nothing happened, and if I press a button and don't press a tip, calibration works well. Okay, now switch to the standard paint application. This is normal stylus. It can draw when I press a tip, and it can move the cursor when I move the stylus. The abnormal styluses works another. If I press a tip, stylus works like standard stylus without pressing a tip, only moving the cursor. But if I don't press a tip and hold down a button, stylus can draw. Look, if I don't press a tip. If I press tip and hold button, nothing happened. Repeat with another one. If I try to draw, it's nothing happened. If I don't press a tip and hold a button, I can draw. Another one kind of stylus works very improper. I try to draw with the press a tip or press a button, but it became very worst picture. Now I repeat with a normal stylus. It works as we wish.